Welcome back to Community Roundup.
One of the convention's most significant announcements came with the launch of the India-America Health Alliance, a landmark partnership between the Reliance Foundation and ARPI designed to expand healthcare collaboration between the two countries. Describing the initiative, Mrs. Ambani said, "Medicine, at its best, has no borders." The new partnership is built around three major pillars. Leveraging Jio's nationwide 5G network, physician specialists from ARPI will provide telemedicine consultations to patients living in India's towns and remote villages, bringing expert medical advice to underserved communities. The initiative aims to strengthen India's healthcare workforce by training first responders and frontline healthcare professionals in advanced clinical protocols, artificial intelligence applications, and real-time collaboration with ARPI physicians in the United States.
Extraordinary team of doctors, nurses, technicians, volunteers, staff, and of course, the head of our hospital, Dr. Taran, who's here with us today. This year, we will commence our plan to modernize our new Seven Hills Hospital, envisioned to be one of Mumbai's largest hospitals and a truly integrated medical hub, leading in clinical research, cancer care, emergency and trauma services, organ transplant, neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Seven Hills has a planned capacity of 1,500 beds, of which more than 450 beds will be dedicated to serving the economically weaker sections of society. These hospitals will help us serve the people of Mumbai and from all over India, representing our commitment to healthcare that combines clinical excellence with compassion and scale with dignity. And that is why receiving this recognition from a community of such noble healers makes it especially meaningful for me. Because in India, healing has always been sacred from time immemorial. We bow to Lord Dhanvantri, the god of medicine, the divine physician, the guardian of health and well-being. Each one of you carries forward on his sacred paths, the path of healing, the path of compassion, the path of divine purpose. And the Bhagavad Gita reminds us, Nar Seva, Narayan Seva. Service to humanity is service to God. That is the spirit you bring to your work every day. For over 4 decades, ARPI has given a face to the Indian dream in America. You have shown the world that a doctor of Indian origin can walk into the most advanced hospitals in the world and earn not just a place, but the highest respect. What inspires me is that you have not just carried your talent and hard work, but also the values, culture, and traditions of our motherland across the world. In the festivals you celebrate far away from home, in the prayers you say every day, like the Ganpati Puja you did yesterday, in the food you cook that carries the fragrance of our kitchens in Chennai, Amritsar or Gujarat, in the way you embrace and carry forward our traditions of yoga, classical music and classical dance, as we saw today, in the stories you tell your children so that they know who they are and where their roots are from. And most of all, in your work as doctors, which is not just a profession, but a calling, the noblest of all callings. You embody the Seva Bhav that is so deeply ingrained in our Bharatiya Sanskriti. है प्रीत जहाँ की
सदा मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ मैं प्रीत जहाँ की सदा
Well, love is our way of life. That is the India to carry within you. And that is the India you share with the world. India is proud of you. America is stronger because of you. Please. Please accept a heartfelt salute from every Indian. आप सबको दिल से सलाम. It seems India has not only given America yoga, turmeric latte, our haldi milk, and doctors like you, but we have also given America cricket. Friends, just last week I was in Lausanne in Switzerland for Olympic Day celebrations and committee meetings. Do you know that there's something in common between this API convention and the International Olympic Committee? It's your theme, Stronger Together. For more than a century, the Olympic motto was faster, higher, stronger. But after COVID, we at the IOC added one word, together. Faster, higher, stronger, together. Poverty, climate change, mental health, we are stronger together. COVID showed us that a virus does not carry a passport. Neither should compassion. Illness does not recognize borders, and neither should healing. Medicine, like sport, must bring humanity together. And therefore, dear friends, on this historic occasion, I would like to propose a new partnership between API and Reliance Foundation. It is the distance. 65% of India's people live in rural areas, yet the bulk of specialists are concentrated in cities. Together we can use digital platforms, telemedicines and connectivity to bring world-class specialist opinion to patients in India's towns and remotest villages. We propose to connect API's US-based specialists to patients in rural India over our Jio 5G network. Just imagine that for a moment. A cardiologist in California, a neurologist in Boston, or a pediatric specialist here in Tampa, healing patients in the remotest villages of India. Distances will no longer determine destiny or life. Second, capacity. We must empower the first responders of India, the community health workers, the nurse, the young resident doctor in a small town, the frontline worker who reaches before anyone else. If we can equip them with training, protocols, systems, processes, AI, and remote guidance from specialists like you, we can save countless lives. Mentorship, knowledge transfer, training, and development can make all the difference in patient care and in their healing.
It's time for yet another quick break. Catch you on the other side.